te driver ne petrol no so because or per se driver no so ye den or ten the fare so abanten so my driver ne car owner wie dia car owner say unim fanebo or no dia won ten the fare so ampa or da so jew dia or jew na. And instead of us as Ghanaians waking up and tackling these issues as they're supposed to be tackled, we rather sit NDC NPP. And what pisses me off when they say, Omo the NDC and NPP did no cry, the only Omo can say Omo ye do. When was the last time you heard Sami Jenfi making noise? Me say Ghana for we need to wake up. Me de be America. Yes, we have bad leaders. Yes, we need good leadership. But the fact is, the Ghanaian ordinary black man with the brain is dumb. I'm sorry. Over 85% of us don't use our brains. And that is why we struggle. Because the what Jimmy Juma. Now I buy biaju electricity bill. Mama papa. Now when to me uncle Tia. Ama what the doom somu 4 years. Na se sa buy na ben na be catch say na light si wa wo de adwuma no. Pamo the other light na ma no. Na mo nombra doom so na we Nkwasiafuo ko this party next year. It is not about leadership. It is about your stupid brain. Say before na Nkwasiafuo. O papa we brochire na nso ye pamu school fees. Na send them pamu school fees bio. Now what catch them say there be even though say now the young pamu school fees no, you rather want the one now or buy your bed pamu school fees now. You are not smart, you are a fool. I'm sorry. And this is what we do every day. All in the name of NDC soba. Me party ba. Intermediate meaning pass me party na yebuka omo number. But ongo bebenti enye let them come. I ask a simple question. For 1 month straight. 1 good month straight. And let me put this too. For 3 weeks straight. 3 consecutive weeks. The dollar and the CD have been at pegging. When I say pegging, I seen baby or dinyo kodu yeno on chain ye mubio. When was the last time I would say I to force in my bejina ho ka either CD to dollar view? Do you hear them talking about CD to dollar? Do you hear them talk about CD to dollar? Now they are finding the next propaganda to come and feed you people that don't like to read. They are finding another propaganda to come and give you people that don't like to read but will take your stomach to sell your own soul. Ghana eba akupo. Ghana eba akupe. Na ebi ni pebi ebiu. Into wo de fa party sem kata weni. Na se no. Ochine bi enye NPP na ebe wo ho. But esan se wugu eduaba bone NPP apensu nti no. Enne NDC ba ye no. Weduaba bone no ubetwa so aba. Nkwasiafuo hini David ne Nkwasiafuo a mutu omugu social media say yenda da Ghanafuo emma Ghanafuo hu so omo man na ahia pansam no ubetwa saa aba no obie ni wa say be wadua ntos na wakotiti meko mimi hu bi da NDC for do mbetumi aye NDC for ade anyansan ni mu a ebi nsi da no na omo ye yeti kromu ha omo so omukura pink sheet ye ko do court ya ye nkura pink sheet ba akopo ya wo kromu ha free education 419 na ye dwen se omo meko ye bo pia omo maji dem ho ma eti ye ni mu om enunti my heart bleed these days Mama Lydia. My heart bleeds a lot when I see NPP doing the work for NDC. Something they didn't do for you. Something they never did for you. You are busy using yedidia jamina wenye bina and a ye juma na ye why ye jument for party this weekend in Amankudiana. Yay. Won kwana we ye campaign. Mo amudina o send yedidia jam no. Mon kwana mo ye campaign ana. na matina ho na sa Nkwasiafuo party we ya sebi ade papa bia mfiri mu ho mma mo toa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so na nka ne papa mu a NDC tumi kasa about politics bi o de omo de abeye Ghana fo yi. Now show me, I ask a typical question. Me say, whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to I feel almost die politics. No, Ekufuor do any say chimpanzee, Baumia is teni abua, teni kwasia. We turn it personal. Na aku company for na no musi yo yate ne yate so. Yate so dia, sa kwasia mpani na was so video did mpani for atem ne yante ne nka o. Yatete niyama no so dia Kwasiampani Johnny Hughes and to me ameka say yatete niyama so. Captain Jimmy ekoko ne gas na yate petrol no so dia obetena hwan no machi hey we dey mean to me yem pass me obetena sa baller show no so no when to me anka nkyere na Kwasiampa for listeners ne say yate petrol so. 2 weeks ago you are insulting the president to reduce the petrol. Now the fucking petrol has been reduced. I expect Captain Nkwasiafuo to sit on that stupid thing of his to let Ghanaians know say, obey ya abino tiasia to petrol no so. But who said he was there to fight for you, the Ghanaians, so that whole petrol so better? It is only Ghana. Uhieni ne bana onu nibi mono. Ese t-shirt. No, did you know? E-levy, we won't pay no e-levy. E-levy, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen. I see a metro when see the e-levy in Tian Kubi. E-levy one seed in tea. Kum nana do mayen. Madam Larissa, welcome. Kum nana do mayen because you see a metro e-levy. Me ken the same Kwasiampeni NDC nino or your transfer. Etua when see the Vodafone, etua when see the MTN. Ya the MTN dia ko South Africa ko yomo kwan. Ya the Vodafone dia ko UK. Na sebe. Ghana ni dondology Jimmy. Ghana ni dondology e jibi samne die ojina Kwasiampafo bi se captain ni twasidi ejina ho se Ghana ye den emuwe se mu be jina wodi atamu a yete soso a na mo aye ma beye na mo papa na mo maame no mo de hyehyehye mo techere ma ase e de abetena ho a mo didi Nkwasiasem no na nka masen abeka se oh ye ya aban na te wa bete ye so. Then one is saying amen. Madam Larissa, mitiwe, mi wonu aketwa a odi machi. Omo friend Porsche akuya. Se ebusua fie building ya. I don't see why ya. Me penino 38 years old no me kwa bisa minua na onundi 30 years old ni say adenti na yensi sebi ebusua fie. Are you people kidding me? But in Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? Araba, welcome. In Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? They be a mekasa asem we chiremo.